Hello, welcome to Olivia Drawing. Today we're going to draw if you said bunny, you're right. Before we draw, I'm going to introduce you to my pet Oreo. She loves to go outside. She's like the nature lover. And whenever I open her cage, she's like zooming out. And she also loves to poo and peep everywhere. And I have to pick up her poop and stuff. See that puddle? That's someplace she peed, and let's pet her before we draw. That's what I always like to do. Now let's draw. He's going. Oh, come on. Come on. Oh. You got it without The first step for drawing a realistic bunny are her eyes. We're just gonna do a tiny oval in the middle, like that. And we're gonna do a super duper tiny one in here. And we're gonna color the outside. And now we're gonna do a line like that. And a bump. And a curve. And I accidentally made it too small. But it's okay, you can always erase. And let's clear that. And we're gonna do our nose down there. And we're gonna finish it like over her eye. Like that. And we're gonna do a curve over there. And like that. We're gonna do the same on the other side. And that. Like that. And this is only to show you I did it. If you do it too long, just erase. And like that. And his neck, we're just gonna do a line. And that arm or something. And we're gonna do an arm like that. We're gonna make it hold something. And we're gonna do a carrot. Rabbits don't really eat carrots. Some people say rabbits don't eat carrots. The top. And we're done with our bunny. Let's color. we're done drawing. Now I'm going to show you how to make it. Do you like it? I know I do. If you like it, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe. Now, let's play with Oreo. Come on, Jimmy. Come on, Purple. This is your only chance. Oh, ah. Look what you've done here. Oh, this is so cute green. Okay. Now, wait, Oreo, don't leave. This is a recording, Mommy. So we want everything to be right. Bye, everybody. She just doesn't want to play.